Hi, I'm Alex Hawkins. I'm in grade 12 at Rossay High School. I'm a 2023 Loran Scholar, and I co-host b.Brilliant. The Loran Scholar Award is a 4-year undergraduate award that looks for people with character, service, and leadership. After graduation, I'll be working around my community for the summer, and then I'll be heading off to the University of Toronto to study life sciences in the fall. I see the award impacting this not only financially, which I'm super grateful for, but also because of their alumni network. I'll be connected to so many cool people. You know what? Brilliant Labs has inspired me for ages and ages. Started in grade 6 when I went to the provincial scratch coding competition. It was crazy. I had this extra large t-shirt on that I looked crazy in, but it was an amazing experience. It was, I think, at UNB, or it might have been here. The story of me becoming the host for b.Brilliant.
Let's hear it.
Like, I can't. It was a story. I had an interview for this award at one point. I had like 12 interviews, but one of them was genuinely just about b.Brilliant. I was sitting in my house one day and I got an email from, I think, Cheryl, and she said that there was this woman knitting old plastic bags into mats for the homeless near me, and she wanted to go interview them for b.Brilliant. I got to knit a row myself. And that was super cool, and I just kind of mentioned like, oh, I do theater, like I'd love to be more involved wherever possible. And then a couple weeks later I got an email just asking if I could host the whole thing, and I was taken aback, but I was so excited. So a couple months later, I think in December, I drove up on my birthday to George Street. I drove up to George Street Middle School, met Mr. Lingley and Josh and all the film crew. And it was a super exciting day. I had a script memorized, and I was so excited to learn about all the cool things that were happening around the Maritimes and all the interesting things that kids were coming up with. And on top of that, all the experts that they interviewed on the show as well, like the people from London that are doing super cool things with the streets, or the Spring Garden Road. There was people in Halifax trying to make a difference through how they build their streets there and how they design things. It's not just that I learned coding, it's that I learned how to be a part of a community. I learned a sense of community. I learned how to help people around me through coding, through designing new things. And Brilliant Labs also teaches creativity and how to get around problems in new, different ways. So it's not just everything's like a cookie cutter thing. You can do things and you can fail along the way and keep going, and you can try new things and find new ways to get around a problem, because there's always multiple ways. I love Brilliant Labs. I do. They're the best. Yeah, Brilliant Labs is the best.